Welcome to the history of puppets. In 3000 BCE, the first puppets were made with possible root in Egypt, India, and China. In China and Japan, they developed new puppets. In China, they used shadow puppetry. This is translucent figurine lit by fire or lamps. In Japan, they made Bunraku. In Japan, they used large expressive puppets. In the medieval years, puppets were used as Christian morality plays, performed in churches and public squares. Punch and Judy originating in the 16th century, Italy and later popularized in England, brought slapstick and chaos in puppet theater. And then, in the robot uprising, we'll forget about puppets. Which fucking sucks, because puppets were the best thing humanity made. Don't touch me.